Do you know that YouTube does not allow you to upload your custom thumbnail to your YouTube short directly from your mobile app? But do not worry, I will be showing you in this video how you can add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short and why it is so important to boost your video view. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so whenever I post, you'll be notified. So let's dive into today's topic. So the only way you can upload a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short is through desktop version, if you are uploading through your desktop version of YouTube. So that is the only way you can upload your custom thumbnail to your YouTube short, if you are uploading through desktop version. And there's a condition that attached to it. When you are uploading, you can only upload thumbnail during the uploading process. After that, you cannot change it or upload any other thumbnail to your YouTube short. So during the process, when you are uploading your video, that is the only way that is the only opportunity you have to add your YouTube short custom thumbnail. Without that, there's no other means you can add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short. So after publishing your YouTube short video, you cannot change the custom thumbnail or re-upload another custom thumbnail to your short again. So you only get the opportunity to upload your custom thumbnail for your YouTube short during the uploading process. So the second way that you can upload a thumbnail to your YouTube short video is through the YouTube mobile app. Yeah, YouTube has rolled out a feature on the mobile app where you can select a frame from the video. But remember, it is not a custom thumbnail, it is just a frame from the video that you can use and set as a thumbnail. Remember that this one, you can edit this one, you can change any frame you want to use at any given time. So this one does not have condition. After uploading or publishing your video, you can still come back and change and pick a part of the video to use as your thumbnail. So if you are worried that you do not have a laptop or a desktop to upload your custom thumbnail to your YouTube short, please do not worry. In this video, let me show you how you can add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short through your mobile app. Back to this side of the screen. In today's tutorial, or in this side of the screen, I'll be showing you how you can add your custom thumbnail to your YouTube short via mobile app. You know, you can only do that on desktop version. It's only on desktop that you can add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short. Aside from that, on your normal mobile app, you cannot add a custom thumbnail to your short video. So in this video, let me show you how you can add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short. To do that, you need to follow this step that I want to show you if you want to do that on your mobile app. So go to get any of these editing app like CapCut, a lot of them. So I'm using Power Director for this. So I click on my Power Director. All these things start with your edit. Make sure that you have designed the thumbnail that you want to use and the video you want to use it for. So on this video, I'll be using a random thumbnail and a random video for this tutorial, for the purpose of this tutorial. So I click on a new project. This is a new project. So first of all, import the thumbnail that you want to use. So like me, this is the thumbnail that I want to use. I click on next. You import it first to your software. So the next thing to do again, you import the video that you want to use for this use for this. So for me, let me pick a random short video that I have here. Okay, let me use this one for example. I click on it, I import it to my editing app. So everything starts with editing. You must first of all edit it very well before you post it. So that's why I'm showing you how you can do this on mobile app. So please be careful or pay attention on this. So what I need to do here is you see this first clip. I click on it. So I just need to cut out. Let me see. You see, I will just cut it out. Then delete the other part. This part I do not need it. I delete it. So the clip will look like this. Let me play it. You see, it will start with the thumbnail that I added, the picture of it. Then it will play and enter the main video. So this is how it will be. So the next thing I need to do after editing it here like this, I will export it to my gallery and go and upload it on my YouTube channel. From there, I can make amend of adding a custom thumbnail through YouTube app. So this is the basic things you need to do. Here is the major work you need to do here. I believe you see the way I cut it off. So this is the way you are going to do it when you are uploading your custom thumbnail to your YouTube short. It is very easy. If you don't understand, you can rewatch so that you will comprehend it. What I need to do next here is very simple. I will go ahead and export this file to my gallery. After that, then I produce it, will download to my gallery, then I upload to YouTube. This is how basically how you can add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube short. So like I told you, we need to upload the video we just saved from our editing app to our YouTube channel. To do that, all we need to do is to locate our YouTube app, click on it, wait for the app to load. At times network used to delay, so wait for it to load. Make sure you have a good internet connection. So come to this plus sign and click on it. Come to your gallery, click on your gallery and locate. What we need to do next is to I don't know, network is delaying this. So what we need to do next is to locate the video we just downloaded from our editing app. This is the particular video that I'm using for this case, for the sake of this tutorial. So click on this video, wait for it to load, click on done. You can adjust the clip, or you can increase this place. You can increase the length of the video depending on the size of the shot that you recorded. So click on done, wait for it to process. Is normal process for YouTube. So after processing, you come to this place and click on next. After that, you will be taken to this part of YouTube uploading process. We have capture here. This place, I believe you know how to add capture to your video. So I believe I have that video on my YouTube channel. So, or check the short video or the long form video. I have that video which I made about how you can add all these things to your video. So the next thing I need to do is to come to this place and click on next, then wait for it to process. So depending on the speed of your internet or the space of your YouTube your device and storage. So after that, the next thing we need to do, you see this pencil icon. Yes, it's a new feature from YouTube. So click on this pencil icon particularly. So it will take you to another level. Then you come to this down part. This is this custom thumbnail we added to our video from the beginning, the clip that we added. So you have option to select any clip from here and use it as your a custom thumbnail. You can use any of this clip because this is what is available from YouTube for us to use. So but that we have added some clip which is our custom thumbnail from the beginning of this editing of this video. So you need to come to this first clips and select this one as your custom thumbnail because you've added it to the video clip on it. So the next thing you need to do is come to this place, this mark sign, and click on it. So after clicking on it, so you have left to fill all the necessary requirements, unlist your video to public, write a capture, your tag, and everything you want to add to this video. You are free. Alter content, comment, you add everything required, then you hit the upload button. After you hit the upload button, it will automatically upload your YouTube short to your YouTube channel. And in this video I cannot upload this because I've already have it on my channel. So I'm just using this one as an example. So I will close this place and go to my YouTube channel and show you what I've uploaded and how it will be on your feed. So let's go back to let me discount this upload and go back to my proper YouTube channel so that you, once you come to my channel, then I click on the profile button, I click on the channel. So if you come to, I don't know, network, this is video, long form video, then short, I click on short, then wait for it to load. I don't know my network. So you see the video that I just uploaded. This is the video I've uploaded my own. So I know it's not okay to play your YouTube listening, but I will do it for the sake of this tutorial. So once you play it, it will start. You understand? You see it. It will start with your thumbnail, then and then move to your video. So this is basically how you can upload your YouTube thumbnail through your mobile app. And it is very easy. If you can be able to understand, or if you do not understand this step again, you can rewatch the entire video and comprehend what I'm telling you or teaching you about. It is very straightforward. And thank you for watching.